Oh, I need some tweezers. I needed tweezers like yesterday. To put them on. Hold on, which ones I want to put on first? I think I want to put on. Thank you. I need to do my edges. I'm gonna do my edges. I'm gonna do my edges right now. I should just do them now so y'all can see. Cause they be so pretty. Like, oh my gosh. They be like, yes, that style is it. Shelly said, hi, Ginger. Ginger Brown NYC. No, girl, I'm about to take him in another like 30 minutes. That's why I'm about to finish this lash. I want to do my nail. I want to do my lash, my nail. Okay, y'all, let me go. I gotta go. I love y'all. Let me get off of here because I will be on here for hours. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ginger said already, girl, I've been on here for over an hour and a half. I've been on here for over an hour and a half. I've been on here since 7 a.m. But we're gonna come on here early tomorrow. I'm gonna try to do some more morning lives. All right, y'all, have a good day. Bye.
script. I can teach finesse, and I'm about my chick. You better come correct. I can teach finesse, and I'm about my chick. You better come correct.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Naima, be your motivation. I'm saying, and I'm here to help you get to where you want to be, because I'm living my dream. Thank you, Hyla. You're so sweet. You got it, boo. You got it. Welcome back to another daily, weekly vlog. Today is Monday. Super excited. Monday, I think the 18th of November. I'm really not sure. I have to check my phone. I don't know what my phone is. Let me see. Yeah, Monday the 18th of November. Where has the year, where is the year? Where has the month? Where has my nail gone? Yeah, like all of it. I need to put some lotion on. But hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Naima, for those of you who are new. If you like what you see so far, you know what I mean, just go ahead and subscribe. I mean, it won't cost you nothing. All you gotta do is just hit that button right there, you know what I mean, and subscribe to the channel. I mean right now. So yeah guys, we're just chilling. I redid my lash this morning. I did yeah, this lash was doing way too much. Like anytime it just starts looking crazy, y'all gotta go.